Hello, future Knights. I'm Mrs. Nikki Kanzia, Assistant Principal and Director of Admissions and Student Life at IC Catholic Prep, and I'm very excited to share with you an invitation for our upcoming open house this coming Sunday, October 18th at 2 p.m. It's going to be a virtual live stream event that you don't want to miss. What better way to learn about your right fit high school than from the comfort of your own home, surrounded by your loved ones and in your PJs this Sunday? We're going to have an opportunity to learn about our school, our campus, hear from our administrative staff, as well as some of our faculty and staff, students, as well as our athletic coaches. And I really hope that you'll be able to take a little bit of time to share your Sunday with us and be with us at our open house. The time to find your right fit high school is now. And the best way to do that is to explore. And so we hope you take the time to explore with us. If you're interested in our open house or any other upcoming activity, please feel free to check us out at iccatholicprep.org. As always, you are welcome to call or email for more information, but be assured of our prayers during this exciting time. And as always, go Knights.